I wanted to be able to use my living room TV as a monitor for my PC that is in the office. I wanted there to be little lag, so a wireless option was out of the question. The rooms were close enough that I could get away with using the HDMI cable without the need of a signal amplifier. So I could make a rectangular cutout in my wall and put it in a wall box and plate. This would require more time and money. Also, I currently don't have a drill bit that can go into the drywall hole and drill downwards. It would require me to figure out where the location of the wall is while in my crawl space and drill up in my crawl space. This does not sound ideal to me. And if you have textured walls like me, patching that hole perfectly is a nightmare. So I designed this simple 3D print that goes over the quarter round molding. This makes it so you can drill down topside with a spade bit and run your HDMI cable through it without the need of cutting off the connector. You place this 3D print over the HDMI cable in the hole you created and screw it in place. It is that simple. This will be behind the entertainment center and underneath my desk, so I'm not too concerned about what it'll look like, but even then it's so small and unnoticeable. If you decide to remove this, all you need to do is place a new piece of quarter round at the base of the molding. This was my first video using Google Gemini heavily for my images. It was kind of an experiment, so let me know how I'm doing in the comments down below. Hopefully I've earned a like, share, subscription. It really helps out the channel if you do. And if you enjoyed watching this video, you may enjoy one of these as well. Thank you for watching.